The 55th KVS National Sports Meet, Taekwondo Girls, has come to its glorious end here at PM Shri KV Vanchalahalli.
This charity program. First, give a big round of applause for you.
I welcome all the escorts. Give it a big round of applause.
From KV Bolaram, representing the Hyderabad region. As this tournament comes to an end, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude to our host school, PM Shri KV number 1 Jalhalli, Bangalore. Right from the minute we arrived on the campus, the hospitality has been absolutely wonderful. The arrangements made for our stay, the smooth daily schedule, the transportation and the meals have been really wonderful. And the meals here had kept our energy high throughout the competition. A really special moment for me was when the principal sir has invited the Indian Air Force Orchestra Band just for us to enjoy. It was such an awesome experience, giving us a great chance to unwind, have fun, and celebrate together amidst all the intense competition. A big thank you to the principal, the dedicated teachers, volunteers, the support staff of KV number 1 Jalhalli behind the scenes. You all worked tirelessly to ensure every program here has been run. And it's a great pleasure and privilege to share my experience of National Sports Meet held at KVS number 1 AFS Jalhalli. For me, this meet was not merely about sports and competition. It was also about creating memories, building connections, and stepping outside our comfort zones. I had the opportunity to make friends from different regions of the country and experience the diversity of cultures, tradition, and personalities. Of course, the journey was not filled with only good times. There were some difficult and challenging times as well. But me and my friends tackled those situations all together. Looking back, I feel those challenges were equally valuable because they strengthened our bond. The arrangements at the meet was commendable. The food was enjoyable and delicious, along with comfortable and well-managed sleeping facilities. The punctuality, organization, and systemic management truly reflected the dedication of a school. I would also like to appreciate the kind and welcoming nature of our principal, sir. Thank him a lot for everything and especially the orchestra night. It was most memorable. We celebrated the spirit of togetherness. Overall, this National Sports Meet gave me much more than a sporting experience. It gave me friendship, confidence, unforgettable memories, teamwork, and sportsmanship. I sincerely express my gratitude to everyone who made this National Sports Meet possible and unforgettable. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
A warm greetings to all. First of all, thank you so much. I am blessed that I got this opportunity to express my feelings, how I felt in these 5 days here.
And to God. And that 55th NSM 2026, this wonderful venue and the people who made it happen truly proved the essence of these words. Good morning everyone, Honorable DC Sir, respected principals, and all the esteemed teachers and my dear children. It gives me immense pleasure to share my impression of the 55th NSM 2026 at PM Shri KV number 1 AFS West Jalali, Bengaluru. Our experience began right from our pickup at the railway station. Everything was organized so smoothly that we immediately felt welcome and cared for. The registration process was equally seamless, followed by a warm welcome and a refreshing welcome drink. The accommodation was comfortably and thoughtfully arranged, especially considering how hectic the entire schedule was. Even with such a packed program, the Independence Day celebration was conducted beautifully. And of course, it ended on a delicious note with the irresistible Mysore Pak, making the celebration even sweeter. But if there is one thing that truly stood out for me throughout the entire event, it was the food, punctuality, and flawless management. Every meal was served on time with proper attention to health, hygiene, and quality. The timing of every activity was so planned that there was hardly any room for confusion or inconvenience. What impressed me the most was seeing all the teachers constantly on their toes, working together and helping at every step to make the event successful. Their dedication and teamwork were truly commendable. I would especially like to mention our venue principal sir, whose simplicity, humility and constant presence left a lasting impression on us. He was there for the children 24/7, always attentive to their needs and ensuring that everything was running smoothly. That for me spoke volume about his personality and commitment. Everything seemed to have been planned with great thought. Principal sir beautifully reminded us that we should try to manage with the resources provided instead of complaining, because it is not a hotel and we are not on vacation. But sir, honestly speaking, it felt no less than a vacation. Not because we were treated like a guest, but because everything was so well managed that we could participate, enjoy and create memories without carrying the pressure of managing the event ourselves. The comfort came from the incredible planning and the people working behind the scenes. And now comes the highlight of the entire event, the orchestra night. For this unforgettable evening, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire team, the backbone of the event, and each and every person who worked behind the scenes to make it happen. That night we simply forgot everything. We forgot who we were, where we came from, where we are here for, and what our responsibilities were. We just danced, laughed, enjoyed, and clicked candid pictures and lived in the moment. For a few hours, there were no designations, no responsibilities, and no hectic schedule. Just a group of people celebrating together and creating memories that will stay with us for a long time. The 55th NSM 2026 was not just an event for us, it was an experience of teamwork, hospitality, discipline, care, and togetherness. A heartfelt thank you to the entire organizing team, the venue principal sir, all the teachers, volunteers, and everyone working behind the scenes. Your efforts may not always be visible, but they were definitely felt. And as we leave with a tired feet but happy hearts, I think we can all agree on one thing: the event may have ended, but the memories we created. Once again, a heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made the 55th NSM 2026 truly memorable. Thank you so much. And at last, I would like to end my speech because we get to know that the principal sir is retiring very soon. So, sir, 2 lines for you, just from the bottom of my heart. I don't know, I just felt that I should say it for you. I will sing it for you, in fact. हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर. हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर. मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. Thank you so much, sir. We are very grateful. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Let me tell you one small thing. 30 years back, some countries, they invested in sports. Now they are the superpowers, economically as well as the socially. Because sports is such a activity in any school that we teach about the failures. No activity in school that will teach about failure. But sports is such an activity. There will be only one winner. There are so many losers. But losers will bounce back and again they will try and they will reach to their dream level. So sports, once you have chosen this game as your career, so please pursue it. Definitely this will take you to a highest level. Nowhere I have seen, as per my experience, a sports person has become a failure in his life. Because sports person will become more self-disciplined. I cannot miss how principals, both the principals have organized this event without any flaws. So I congratulate both the principals and their teachers and their team, everyone. They made this program a grand success. So it gives very pleasure to see a congenial environment. It is child-friendly environment they provided, and again they made the event very smooth and successful. So my best wishes, my congratulations to principals as well as their team for making this program grand success. So it means definitely you are going to get some more assignments for your successful organization because of your leadership. And every teacher, I have seen last 5 days, every teacher is on post and they are providing services to escorts as well as the participants. And I also thank Rajiv ji for giving his wonderful team, making this event a grand success. Rajiv ji being an alumnus of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, he has provided a best referee services. He has chosen a best team for AGFI. So definitely the team, KVS team definitely will win many medals will get in AGFI event. So thank you very much for involving me on this day. To the organizers, particularly the principals of number 1, number 2 Jalahari. And my best wishes once again to all the students. Keep growing, children. This is not the end. This is a beginning only in your life. You are going to win so many medals in your life. Thank you. Jai Hind.
This meet was our great opportunity, and every single one of you turned it into a lot of great moments. On behalf of PM Shri KV number 1 and to Jalahari, I extend our deepest gratitude to our chief guest, the Deputy Commissioner KVS RO Bengaluru, Shri Sheikh Tajuddin sir. Your visionary leadership, unwavering support and presence have been the driving force behind the flawless execution of this national event. We owe a special debt of gratitude to our Assistant Commissioners in absentia. Your constant guidance, meticulous planning and administrative brilliance paved the way for this grand success. A tournament of this scale is nothing without fair play. We highly appreciate the technical expertise of Mr. Rajiv, Chief Referee, and other officials from Karnataka State Taekwondo Association, and Mr. Puneet and his team from Do Sports Kolkata. You maintain the highest standards of integrity on the mat. As the great Pele once said, success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing. Thank you for your precision and for your love for the sport.